Why are small children, babies, exposed to tobacco smoke when nobody around them smokes?
San Diego State faculty have been involved in lots of research on tobacco pollution, examining parks and beaches to collect and count what seems like an infinite number of cigarette butts. Last week, the Center for Tobacco and the Environment was founded to give that kind of research a home. Researchers and staff gathered at the center's Kearny Mesa headquarters to mark the occasion. Georg Mott is the center's director and a psychology professor at SDSU. He says the center's mission is
to examine and then hopefully find solutions to this very serious problem that exists outdoors in terms of tobacco product waste, as well as indoors in terms of tobacco smoke toxic residue.
The outdoor problem is shown on many maps of square blocks in San Diego where people have discarded cigarette butts. Identifying where the solid waste resides is an important piece of evidence.
Where does it collect? Who's impacted by it? And then how does it eventually end up through the storm drains, flowing out into the oceans?
The toxic residue, where tobacco smoke becomes embedded in carpets and drywall, is often called third-hand smoke.
Secondhand smoke spreads through the air and then it sticks to walls, it sticks to the smokers, it sticks to the moms, it sticks to and collects in dust. It builds up and accumulates in carpets and toys and pillows and mattresses and clothes. So it's everywhere. And it stays there. It doesn't just disappear.
Lydia Greiner, also a psychology professor at San Diego State, says people who have bought pre-owned homes have described it to her.
Now that the residents have moved out, the prior owners have moved out, we can see on the walls where there are stains, where the pictures were removed. We can also smell an overwhelming smell of tobacco smoke. We're contacting you because we first just tried to figure out how to get rid of the smell, and in doing that, we discovered that it's not just a smell, that the smell actually represents toxic chemicals.
And removing those embedded toxins from a home is very difficult. Georg Mott says the Center for Tobacco and the Environment is funded entirely by grants that fund the research. Thomas Fudge, KPBS News.